Hello students, today I am going to discuss some more questions from Python library, and these questions are helpful for your examination for PGT. If you are going to prepare for PGT or if you are teaching in PGT, then these questions will be helpful in the board examination of class 12 also. Some popular Python libraries include NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and TensorFlow. This Matplotlib we got many questions in our Eklavya Vidyalaya questions PGT Matplotlib. So this is used for visualization, sklit learn and request. So what does NumPy stands for? So it is numerical Python. If we want to import some libraries for numerical calculation, then we need to import NumPy. As in Java we are using lots of mathematical operators to do mathematical calculations, so just like that we have numerical Python NumPy. Which of the following is a primary object in NumPy for representing arrays? So array will be the answer. List, matrix and tuple will not be the answer, so array will be the answer. What does the np dot function do in NumPy? np dot, and this is method sign. What this function is doing? Compute the dot product of two arrays. When we have to compute means when we have to multiply the dot product of two arrays, then we are using np dot. Concatenate two array along a specified axis will not be the answer. Create a new array by repeating an existing array will not be the answer. Compute the mean of the array will not be the answer. So compute the dot product of two array will be the answer. What is the purpose of np.arrange function in NumPy? Arrange. So generate a range of number as a NumPy array. This is the output of np.arrange. So average of an array will not be the answer. Rearrange the element of an array. A student can tick out in the rearrange the element, because here we have np.arrange is written, so a student can get confused between rearrange and generate. So find the range of values can also a student can answer, but the answer will be generate a range of numbers as a NumPy array. So which NumPy function is used for reshaping an array? So we want to reshape. So reshape, this is method sign. This is method sign. I told you many times that opening and closing bracket is the method sign, and whatever we will write inside the method is the argument. What is the purpose? What is the purpose of the np.zeros function in NumPy? So create an array with all the element initialized to 0. When we want to create an array whose element will be initialized with 0, then we have to create np.zeros. Return the total number of 0 will not be the answer. Remove 0 value from an array will not be the answer. Check if an array contain only 0. Which function is used to create a new array in NumPy? Array method sign. To create a new array in NumPy, create new array, make underscore array will not be the answer. So we can see all the options are confusing. So array bracket array method sign will be the answer. How do you import NumPy in Python script? Import NumPy as np will be the answer. Import. You need to understand that in Python, to import any library we need to use the import keyword. From NumPy import will not be the answer. Include NumPy will not be the answer. Require NumPy as num. So we need import keyword. How do you save a data frame df to a CSV file named output.csv? df.to.csv output.csv. So to save a data frame df to CSV file, df.to_csv output.csv. What does the df.groupby function do in pandas? So df.groupby group the data frame by a specified column or columns. So df.groupby is used to group the data frame. You need to understand this. df.groupby is used to group the data frame by a specified column or columns. So here we have the option sort the data frame will not be the answer, merge two data frame will not be the answer, filter row, it is not, we are not talking about filtering, so we are talking about grouping, so df dot group by will is the answer. Which panda method is used to drop missing value from a data frame? Missing value. So here these options are again confusing. Remove underscore missing, anyone can think about this, or clean method sign, or drop missing, but the answer is drop na. Drop na. In pandas, panda is a library, so drop na is used to drop missing value from a data frame. Now next one is, what is the purpose of df dot head function in pandas? Head, you can see head is written, so display first 5 row of the data frame. Header, head we know, header and footer we are talking about, so head will be acting as a prefix, so display the first 5 row of data frame. When we have to display first 5 row, then we will write df dot head. So we can see the options as well. Display the last 5 row of the data frame will not be the answer. Display the summary statistics of the data frame will not be the answer. Return the column name of the data frame will not be the answer. So what will be the answer? Display the first 5 row of the data frame. So in MCQ, what should be the smart way to opt for the MCQ? You should know about each and every part of the MCQ, not only one, not only the correct one, but you should know about each and every one, because maybe you will get a one question, but in other examination you will get another question out of the same option. How do you select a specified column name, column underscore name from a data frame df? So df under bracket single quotes column underscore name will be the correct option. If you have to select a specific column name from a data frame df. What is a data frame in pandas? Now you should know what is a data frame. So a 2-dimensional labeled array, no. A 3-dimensional labeled array, no. A specialized form of Python dictionary, no. So what is a data frame? A 2-dimensional labeled data structure with column that can be of different type. It is a data structure. 2-dimensional label data structure. Python is 2-dimensional label data structure. Now from matplotlib. So what is matplotlib? What is matplotlib primarily used in Python? So it is used for data visualization. So I told you already that matplotlib is used for data visualization. It is used for plotting of graph. So it has, as we used to draw the graph like in mathematics, like in LPP linear programming problem, we have x-axis, y-axis, then we have the values. So matplotlib we used to draw the graph only. Numerical computation, web development, data visualization, machine learning. So the answer will be data visualization. How can you create subplots in matplotlib? So now to create plot, subplot, x-axis, y-axis, values, variable, everything we have to study in matplotlib. So we will see all the option: plot.create.subplot, plot.add.subplot, and plot.subfigure. So we have to create subplot. So plot.subplot will be the answer. Subfigure, if we want to create add a subfigure. Add subplot, if we want to add another subplot where one is already added. Create subplot means we want to create a subplot, then we will be using create subplot. Which matplotlib function is used to add text annotation to a plot? plt.annotate. Annotate, we need to add annotation, so clearly it is written annotate. plt.text we will not use because we don't have to add text. Add text annotation. plt.text, if we have to add text to the matplotlib. plt.add underscore text, I think this is incorrect, and plt.label if we want to add any label. What is the purpose of the plt.ligand function in matplotlib? You know that I told you that matplotlib is used to draw the graph. So graph has many parts, ligands, x-axis, y-axis, many things are there. So why do we use ligands? Add a ligand to the plot. Ligand means to the right side of the graph, whatever we are using to denote the graph. Means in a map of India we used to represent this part is land, this part is water. So ligand is used to represent the parts of a graph. Set the color of the plot? No. Control the transparency of the plot? No. Change the line style of the plot? No. How do you create a histogram in Matplotlib? So here students get confused between plot.histogram, plot.bar plot, and plot.plt.plot.hist. So the correct answer will be plt.hist. Method sign. Which matplotlib function is used to save a plot to a file? If we want to save a plot in a file, then what we will use? Plot.savefigure. You can see these options are all confusing. Plot.save, plot.export. We don't want to export anything. Plot.savefigure. You can see a student can get confused between savefigure and savefigure. So these are some library function of matplotlib you need to understand about. Thank you very much.